Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Trade. Today's video is about Banknifty review dated 3rd August 21. CPR as an indicator, it identifies the key price points to set up intra-day. In today's chart, we will see what are all the key price points. Let us see first R3. This is the R3 key price points given by CPR. Just observe this one. Exactly at this level only, at this price only, it has stopped moving further and it acted as a resistance. Just see, just observe this line. Market stopped trading above this resistance 3. We will see resistance to price level. This is the resistance to price level. Exactly at this point, market took a large breakout from here to here, and R1 and previous day high together, it forms a strong support and as well as the resistance. See, it is a strong resistance till here, then it has become a strong support for the market. These are all the 3 and 4 important price levels of today's market. Today's CPR is a narrow CPR. It means it is a trending day. Yesterday also I told the trending day may continue for the next day also. Today's CPR is higher value CPR. This is previous day CPR. This is today's CPR. It is today's CPR is higher than the previous day CPR. It indicates it is a bullish market. CPR opening trick opened the candles exactly at the CPR. Because CPR is very narrow CPR, CPR could not accommodate the candles, so candles started going away from the CPR. See, this is the trend, that is trending day. CPR could not accommodate because of its narrowness. CPR range is very narrow. When CPR range is very narrow, trading range is wide. It is a wide range today. Today market traded with a wide range because CPR range is very narrow. That is the power of CPR. It gives all key price points, and also it gives the true statements. As per these statements, market are moving. We will see the moving average. This is candles are trading throughout the day. From here to here, end of the day, candles are trading. This is 20 days moving average. About 20 days moving average only candles are trading. This 20 days moving average is above. This is red 200 days moving average. Candles are trading above 20. 20 moving average is above 200. It confirms it is a bullish market. So non-directional traders should not take a trade because it is a trending day. For directional traders, it is a bullish bullish market. They can take bullish view, and today traders made good handsome money in the today's market. MACD throughout the day, it is a bullishness, confirms the bullish market. RSI also, it is above the 60 levels. It also confirms the bullish market. So make a proper trade setup, then trade with no fear and no greed. Keep your trading as simple as possible to learn these simple techniques. To learn these simple techniques, we are conducting 2 days workshop on Saturday and Sunday to earn technical analysis of this part and the technical and price actions of this part. You are learning options basic to options advanced, and also CPR indicators, techniques and tricks to learn and earn. To learn and earn, contact my number 96 866 85157. Thank you.